Hey guys, well today we've got this amazing looking Dodge Ram 2500. It came in, it's a double cab vehicle, and the boys from GCI Traytec have done an absolutely stunning job on this back of this, the canopy and tray combination. Now this is a lift-off style canopy, so it will come off the rear. It's got these great practical fastening points where you can actually just hook shackles straight into or tie down straps. Now with pull out rear toolboxes as well, and right at the back an additional big pull-out trundle drawer, perfect to store your recovery gear. So there's the Max Tracks as well as a Sabre off-road recovery rope. Now on the front end of the vehicle, pretty simple with the factory bumper on the front end, but sporting a great light bar just to give you that extra vision at night, as well as underneath the vehicle a full King's Racing Shocks 2-inch suspension lift on the front end and at the rear, and also at the rear supporting a set of Airbag MAN airbags, give you that extra sturdiness. We had the privilege today of installing one of our new XT Max awnings, and it's absolutely perfect with the vehicle with such a long rear tray or single cab vehicles or wagons. So let's get onto this and open this up all the way over there. Drop the two straps down, awning opens up. Now on these, you fold the forward arms open first, and then go inside, grab the rear arms, and take them over to the back, like such. Now I'm just going to walk this around the front end and actually connect it back onto the top of the roof rack of the tray. So, make my way up here, and hook that in. Make your way to the rear, grab the rear, pull it around to the back like that with your strap. Same thing. And obviously this vehicle's a lot higher than most, so here we go. And that's it there. Make the way to the front of the awning again, give it an extra, just a little bit of tension, just to make sure it's all in. Now, great use of space, massive shade area. We've got more coverage out the width of this vehicle than before. Open up the canopy and just show you clearing the arms easily on the top end there. Basically you've got a Dometic upright fridge, big drawer over there for your food and so on, an additional working surface table, just a really beautifully designed, well worked out camping setup, big touring rig. Now the reason why the 2500 is the customer tows a 4-ton caravan. So it's a bit of the best of both worlds. You've got the caravan out when you get to places, and you've got the awning and the camping setup in the rear for those perfect days on the beach. Guys, thanks for watching this video and the walkthrough of this vehicle. For more information on the XT Max awning, go to thebushcompany.com. Don't forget to go bush, and I'll catch you later.